welcome to my channel. Today I have some amazing new products to show you. I'm really excited to try these out, to be honest, and they're super cute and unicorn. Yes, Two Products has made unicorn themed products, hence the cute little unicorn horn that I got at Claire's. I'm stealing it from Haley. Shh, don't tell her. I needed this, okay? So today we're in the mood for unicorns. This is a transforming vitamin C clay cleanser mask. It's really odd, cleanser and mask at the same time, but it's supposed to transform from pink to yellow, so we'll see how that one works out. Not a fan of like these combo sort of cleanser mask things, but I'm willing to give it a shot because it's supposed to be brightening and help uneven skin, so maybe it will do something, I don't know. And then I have this one that I've been flailing around here. This one is a peel off mask. It's vitamin C as well, and it's supposed to be an iridescent mask. I'm not sure how to say that word. I suck at English, even though it's my first language, so I'm super sorry. I'm going to try this one out, and I'm hoping that it's shiny just like this packaging, which is super cute. This is what really drew me in, was the packaging. I love the just pure shininess of it all. They have a big bottle of this, but for $15–16, it's not very good of a deal in my opinion. I really want to try this one out first before I jump into buying the big huge bottles and relying on that for my regimen, because who knows if this is going to do anything. I know it's cute and like novelty, but will it actually do anything for me? I don't know yet, but super cute. So let's jump into these and see how each one of them performs and see which one is better. First, we're going to start out with this one. It's a creamy clay cleanser, and it smells kind of like citrus, but not so much grapefruit. It smells good, kinda. It's okay. We're going to see if it actually does transform into different colors or just stays the same. From what I see right here, it just looks kind of yellow sort of shade. Like, I don't really see any pink. It doesn't look pink to me. It says from pink to yellow, but it already looks yellow. Is my skin already clean in the bottle? I don't know. It's 95% natural, which is nice. Always have to have them natural ingredients, right? So I'm going to see if it's going to do anything. So time to take all of this off. Well, I obviously took off all of my makeup that I had on. Eyeliner, well, what are you gonna do, right? I have my handy dandy head wrap on, and I'm going to show you what this looks like in a moment here. And it's very thick. Obviously, like, you have to be Hercules just to even... I can't even get this out of the bottle. Look at the struggle. Like, I'm just like shaking getting this out of the bottle. Kind of looks like a duty. But it looks so gross. Well, I got what I could get. That's what it looks like. And it's not pink, it's more of an orange color shade, tan. Not pink like described. Very citrusy. Doesn't smell like grapefruit. At least I don't think so. Okay, now it's coming. It's like a very light citrus smell. And just put it on like so. It's more of a mask than a cleanser, in my opinion, because see how it's acting? And it's not even pink. I'm kind of like bummed out about that. I wanted to see it transform. Yeah, it transformed because of the light, computer light over there. Doesn't turn anything. And it says you don't have to like leave it on, so I guess I just massage it in and then take it off. Not sure really. I'm going to put some water in my hand and see how that works. Maybe something will happen. Ooh. Nothing happens. I just have a wet face. Yeah, nothing's happening. It doesn't say that you have to leave it on for a certain amount of time. Apply to damp skin, circular motions, the same old mumbo jumbo. You know when your skin is clean, when it changes from pink to yellow. Well, apparently my skin has been cleaned since out the bottle. I'm going to clean this off of my face and then move on to this peel off mask. I hope it's more magical than that one. It didn't transform at any point while I was in the shower from pink to yellow. I know that's not a big deal, but I think it's a big deal because I thought it was going to be a cool idea, but it's just basic, but great for a mask for sure. I will definitely use that, but not as my personal cleanser. We're going to move on to this beautiful gem right here. The Yes2 iridescent mask. Opening it like so. Toss that to the side. And we're going to see if it's actually worthwhile. I hope this is pretty. I want to see it look pretty. I want it to come out of the package. What the hell happened? Okay. So it's coming out of here. Eventually. You have to really work at it. Oh, it looks different. It doesn't look pink like in the picture. What happened? But it's okay. It's still iridescent. That's actually iridescent. It's like pretty shades. Oh wow, look at that. My fingertips. That's super cool. Oh wow, it's actually holographic iridescent. Okay. Rub it on like so. You don't get that much for the price. This one has a very strong grapefruit scent. You're getting full grapefruit with this. I should have took off my ring. I'm an idiot. I'm going to put it on like so. And it's a peel off mask. So it says to make like a little pull. But I don't know how to really do that. I just peel it off. Like, I don't do anything fancy. But it looks super cool in the light. I don't know if you can see it, but like, I don't know if it shows up, but it's super pretty. Look at my hands. Super cool. I like how they look. I don't know if you can see that. Try and get the best lighting possible. That's super cool. I'm going to leave this on for approximately 10 minutes or until it's dry. It's like putting glue on your face. There we go. There's a fancy, I don't know, peel edge, right? I don't know. No, it's not gonna work. But I tried. I'm going to leave it. I'll be back. Leave this on 10 minutes or so. Coming back to you. This mask has already tried to peel away from itself. As you can see here, I have a peel flap here. And this one doesn't hurt at all. It dried really fast. Peeling it obviously is like super easy. And that's really nice because there's no tugging or pulling on your skin. Something nice for once. Finally, I can have nice things. Oh, a little piece didn't dry so well. Oh, it's all chunky. Well, what you gonna do? My garbage is going to look so pretty. Have the garbage bag open and then have the garbage guys see the mask and he'll be like, what the hell is this? That'd be so funny. He'll think it's like some sort of like weird skin. It's like, yeah, I have a weird skin condition. It's called unicorn. It's an odd medical condition. Well, I'm back to normal now. I have everything washed and peeled away. This one is kind of iffy. I like it as a mask, as I've been saying, more than a cleanser. More effective that way. This one is awesome. I love the color. I love how it's glowing. I love the application, how it just comes off by itself when it's dry. No hassle. Like, it took a long time to peel off, but in the end it's worth it. This is a really good peel off mask. Thank you so much for watching my yes to. That's Poe out there. I don't know what he's doing. If you liked the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Share it around. I've been really busy on the campaign trail for Haley to become Tomato Festival Princess, so I've been really bombarded with that and trying to get all the tickets sold, so I'm really sorry that this is a late upload. If you would like to purchase a ticket from Haley, you can contact me on all my social medias. They'll be right down below. They're only $1, so it's a great deal. It's to help the Chamber of Commerce help the community, so great cause. Haley will be selling them till April 6th, so be sure to get yours today if you can. Appreciate it so much. Don't forget to subscribe with the notifications on, and you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for those uploads. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.